boys and girls, go ahead and get out your math books. We're going to be on page 305, if I've got it, 305. And remember, you can pause the video as we're doing it. We're going to just practice a couple together, and then I'm going to let you rock and roll it all the way on your own. Okay, so I'm going to get my blue math pen out. You use a pencil, please. And we're dealing with partners. We're dealing with, it says write the 6 partners, and they give us that 6 up there. So all of these equations that we're going to create make up to 6. And we did this last week with 5. So it's the same idea. We're counting the colors and the non-colors. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. They've done the whole row with us. Remember, rows go side to side, right? Rows go side to side. So let's take a look and see so we can understand. It says to write the 6 partners. Let's see what they've done here. So the very first one, it has 1 plus 5. Okay, now take a look at how many blue dots do I have? I have 1. And how many non-colored or blank dots do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Okay, so 1 plus 5 equals 6. Good. Now let's take a look at this one. How many colored dots are there? 2. We can just subitize right away that there are 2. And how many non-colored dots are there? 4. Good. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Good. Now, how many can you subitize? How many colored dots are there? 3. And how many non-colored dots? 3. So 3 plus 3 equals, you got it. Okay. How many colored dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 4 here. And can you subitize how many are not colored? 2. Good. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. It helps. I really want you to practice saying, once you come up with the equation, reading the equation with what it equals. Okay? Now, how many colored dots do I have here? 5. Okay? Plus how many non-colored? 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So let's do this down below. We're going to do this one together. How many colored dots do I have? 1. Okay. And how many non-colored, oh, we're not dots, we're hexagons. How many non-colored hexagons do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we say 1 plus 5 equals 6. Good. I want you to continue on. I know you guys know what to do, and you're just looking at me like, I got this, Mrs. Anderson. So you go ahead and you continue to look at the objects, how many colored, how many non-colored, and I want you to write. All of these are going to be addition. All of these are going to be addition. And when you're done, I want you to read each one out loud to whoever's listening. So we're going to say 1 plus 5 equals 6. And you're going to go forward and you're going to do all of those. You're going to rock and roll with all of those. And then when you're done, boys and girls, you're going to turn it over and you're going to just practice your math facts for addition. Okay? Really good to just start knowing them really quick like that. That's why we practice them, so that we can start subitizing without having to actually count or draw pictures or use our fingers, okay? At some point, you're just going to be able to subitize because we've been practicing our partners. You're going to just know, oh, 1 plus 5 is 6. I knew it, right? You don't have to count. You just know it, okay? So fantastic job. Keep going.